To use Walmart Plus for Paramount Plus, you need to understand the benefits and features of both services. Walmart Plus is a membership program that offers exclusive discounts and perks to its members, while Paramount Plus is a streaming service that provides access to a wide range of movies and TV shows. First, you need to sign up for a Walmart Plus membership, which costs a monthly or annual fee. Once you have signed up, you can link your Walmart Plus account to Paramount Plus to get a discounted subscription rate. This discount can help you save money on your streaming service. To link your accounts, go to the Walmart website and sign in to your account. Then, navigate to the Walmart Plus section and click on the Paramount Plus offer. You will be redirected to the Paramount Plus website, where you can sign up for a new account or link your existing account to your Walmart Plus membership. Once your accounts are linked, you can start streaming Paramount Plus content at a discounted rate. You can access Paramount Plus on various devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices. Make sure to download the Paramount Plus app on your device and sign in with your account. Credentials to start streaming. One of the key benefits of using Walmart Plus for Paramount Plus is the cost savings. With a Walmart Plus membership, you can get a discounted subscription rate for Paramount Plus, which can help you save money on your streaming service. Additionally, you can also get free shipping on online orders, fuel discounts, and other perks with your Walmart Plus membership. To get the most out of your Walmart Plus membership and Paramount Plus subscription, make sure to take advantage of the discounted rate and stream your favorite content regularly. You can also use the Walmart Plus app to manage your account, track your orders, and access exclusive deals and discounts. In summary, using Walmart Plus for Paramount Plus is a great way to save money on your streaming service and get exclusive perks and discounts. By following these steps and taking advantage of the benefits, you can enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows while also getting the most out of your Walmart Plus membership.